Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you and maybe fix your issue. Why is your JBL PartyBox on the Go 2 so quiet? So the thing is that your speaker may be discharged. So if you click any button, see here you have the battery level. If you see that it's very low, try to charge your speaker. Plug it into power and leave it, for example, for 1-2 hours. Then check if it works. If it still doesn't work, you need to check if you don't have any limiter set in your device. Go to settings, then try to go to standard vibration and check if you don't have any limits. If you do, you need to of course change them. If you don't, you need to do a factory reset of your speaker. Hold this button and this button simultaneously for 10 seconds to do a factory reset. If nothing helps, you need to contact device support. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.